morning, so I am hungry. Are you hungry? I am hungry. It is breakfast and we got McDonald's. So today I am trying the Christmas fast food menu for breakfast. Well, I say breakfast, what's the time? It is 12. It is 12 o'clock.
Okay.
So for brunch or for lunch or for a late breakfast, I am having McDonald's. For the festive menu, I literally just ordered what was ever on their like big screen of whatever was on for the festive menu. So for my breakfast, I have the jerk chicken sandwich. So McDonald's had this out for the Christmas menu, but I really don't know why jerk chicken would be a Christmas thing. Do you know what I mean?
I would like to try that actually.
Yeah, because we like Jamaican food. Another thing that was on their Christmas menu was this double Big Mac. So I'm interested to see how big it. Have you had the double Big Mac before?
No.
Cheese melt dippers, which I have actually had.
I never tried any of this.
We don't really order takeout. We don't really get McDonald's often at all. Last time we've been to McDonald's together, uni. I'm hungry.
So? Does it taste like jerk chicken?
No. I haven't got any bit of the sauce.
Oh.
I really don't like raw onion. They got bacon in there.
Do you get it? No.
Try it.
I have to remove some stuff.
So inside they got their like breaded chicken. They got lettuce, they got some bacon in there, some cheese, some raw onion, which I'm not really a fan of.
It does not taste like jerk.
Yeah, it does not taste like jerk chicken, that's for sure. Inspiration by jerk chicken. Can you taste the inspiration, please?
Nah.
I don't even taste anything.
Yeah. It's not even like a hint. Just a chicken sandwich.
Yeah, it's literally just a chicken sandwich. A chicken barbecue sandwich, if that, maybe.
Oh, okay, yeah, maybe.
It doesn't taste like jerk.
Alright, Big Mac.
So I actually never had a Big Mac in my life.
We never had a
in
Big
my
Mac.
life, never. No, because
Never careful fish.
no, I never wanted to have a Big Mac because I don't like the filling, nothing. Like literally, it's just like, don't judge me, but I don't like all the stuff that's in that.
Oh, that's big. It's bigger than usual.
Double the size. But I'm just gonna have the jerk chicken sandwich, and Baz has got the Big Mac. So.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I like the sauce in the Big Mac.
Oh, you know what it is? I think in their sauce, like smell the jerk sandwich sauce. I think you know what, they just put it in the sauce. They just put some jerk seasoning in their sauce.
No.
I mean, she's just taking out all the onions. I really don't like raw onion.
I think yours is better than this. Yeah, but I like the amount of meat. I wish the Big Mac was always this big.
You know what tastes a bit like? Sweet chili sauce with some jerk seasoning. Not even jerk seasoning, some spicier seasoning.
Yeah.
So next we got the cheese melt dippers.
I always dip. Oh, it's ketchup.
I quite like these.
Oh, they're right. Not bad.
Who doesn't like cheese?
Aren't you lactose intolerant?
I think my favorite is this.
I said the best thing was the chicken sandwich. I think that was the
I
best.
said the cheese. I wasn't really a fan of the smell. I don't know if it came from the onion or it came from the sauce or it came from something or it was the cheese. There was some smell in that just didn't
What you don't like?
make the flavor nice. It was okay. It was just okay for me. Like I just I don't know what I think I had high expectations. Like I thought, oh, a jerk chicken sandwich, that sounds nice. It was decent. It was just decent.
Yeah,
you know what I
it
mean?
was alright. It was alright.
It's just alright.
No plus.
We got too high standards. What can we say? It is lunchtime. McDonald's was just a little bit disappointing. It wasn't satisfying to me. I wanted something like, this is a good breakfast. Another regret for me was just actually going out to buy the McDonald's, because the thing is, traffic for McDonald's was a lot, and it wasn't even like a lot of traffic getting there. There might have been just a little bit, but the actual traffic just to go to the McDonald's drive-through and then get out was a struggle. And then I wanted to find somewhere to park, didn't really find anywhere to park where McDonald's was, because there was just a lot of people there. I am not making that mistake again, because it is a Saturday and I guess people just want to, you know, get a takeout. But you know what, the main reason why I wanted to go through the drive-through for McDonald's on Uber Eats, the delivery fee for McDonald's was, tell me why is it £5 for delivery? Phone should really be on silent. But tell me why it was £5. £5 for just delivery. It's next to the KFC, which pays what, 70p for delivery. So I really don't understand. Anyways, so for lunch, I'm not gonna make that mistake again. I'm actually just gonna order it from Uber Eats. I really can't be asked to go outside and go through the traffic and just it's just a lot. It's a waste of time, you know. So I was looking through different, look at me, my chunky laptop. Had this laptop before uni, and now I feel like I'm carrying around either just a beast of a laptop or just a really old chunky laptop. It's probably the last one. So I was just looking for different fast food Christmas menus, and to be fair, there is quite a bit, but it's just like, I was thinking, what am I actually feeling? And I saw KFC, and KFC was like, woo! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! So it is finally here. Gotta get my board out because we don't have a dining table, doesn't have a coffee table. We just have a board. After the longest delivery ever, it just took a really long time. Don't know what the delivery driver's doing. My thing about food taking a long time, I don't like it when my food's cold, so I'm scared if it's cold. I'm excited to try the KFC Christmas menu. The bag is cold. I hope the food ain't cold.
It's cold outside.
So we got a bottle of water.
Nice, I'll take that.
Alright, thanks. It's not my meal or anything. Ooh, what is this called? The KFC. It is the KFC gravy burger box meal. It only comes in a box meal, so I had to get the box meal. This is the box and this is the meal. Let's open this up. Is it gonna look like the picture? Probably not, but we shall see. Ah!
Okay.
So inside, oh, it's called Gravynnaise. Gravynnaise. Got a gravy pot over here. So you've got your box. Fries. Let's have a fry.
That's small fries.
What is this? I'd like to know what this one is. Oh, the fillet.
Okay.
This burger, okay, I have it up on here just so I know what I'm saying. So this burger consists of gravy, mayonnaise, original piece chicken fillet, a slice of melted cheese, hash brown, a gravy boat, plus, of course, a side of gravy. I need to sneeze. You know what I like about this burger? You know what I like about this burger? No vegetables, no lettuce, no onions, no nothing. Woo! I have never had a burger from KFC, have you? Basically,
no.
This burger, you're meant to cover it in gravy. So am I meant to cover it in this gravy or the Gravynnaise?
Ah. Yeah, no, I mean.
That looks weird. That looks like
It's
gravy jelly. Oh yeah. All over the hash brown. We'll save some gravy for the chicken fillet on the side, and the chips. Oh my god, look at that gravy dripping. The gravy definitely added to it.
Really?
You did it.
It looked a bit dry though, I have to say.
So I think I just really like the combination. They don't give you any veg, don't give you any onion, don't give you all that stuff I don't need. You know?
Actually, yeah. Pour it while you eat
Good,
it.
yeah. This is how this guy eats all the time.
I actually do this.
I know, that's why I just said.
Barbecues.
Don't you think the gravy adds? It adds to it. Oh, let me have a little bit of this fillet. I haven't had a chicken fillet from KFC since I was young. Oh, let's dip it in that gravy. Oh yeah.
Hey, no.
I like KFC.
Do you try the chip with the gravy?
Of course, of course.
Have you tried the Gravynnaise?
No. Oh wow, wow. Hey, save a bite for me, please. You could save some gravy for me. This is the Christmas meal. For those who don't know, KFC is actually like I guess traditional. Would you say traditional? Is it like a traditional thing that you would have in Japan for Christmas? Like you have KFC, like the bucket for Christmas. It's like a Christmas meal that you would have in Japan. So KFC.
That's quite nice.
I would have KFC on Christmas. I'm a bit biased because I'm more of a KFC person than like a McDonald's person or a Burger King person. One of the fast foods.
I don't know. I like turkey. I think it's pretty good. Oh, you should have ordered two.
You could have ordered your own.
I didn't know you was getting this.
Yeah, I did. I told you. Merry Christmas. Oh, very good Christmas.
All right. Not bad.
This is a good meal.
Ah, that was very good.
And gravy. Oh, let's go.
Maybe I should order gravy more often now from KFC. I usually don't get gravy.
I know. Oh, I like this one. What are you looking for? Are you looking for crumbs? There's something less, man. That was satisfying. Even though McDonald's wasn't the most satisfying thing for me, this just, it evened it out. It evened out the scoreboard. Was there a scoreboard? There's no scoreboarding. It even, what do people say? It evens out the playing field. It evened out the, is that what people say? Yeah. I don't know what people say. I'm trying to say what people say. So we had to go and pick up our Pizza Hut. This is the last thing I wanted to do with Pizza Hut. Needed to do it because not even our closest, but only one of the Pizza Huts in our area. Did you know we have like 5 Pizza Huts in our area?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, no,
but only one of them was delivering to our place, and that one did not have a Christmas pizza. So anyways, we had to drive, I would like to say, all the way here. It isn't even that far. It's a 10-minute drive. Go! Let's go home and eat our pizza. And Peter's a little bit stinky, so let's go quick. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so I am back. Got my board because what dining table, I do not know. Got a side. This is just their normal chicken wings. So went to Pizza Hut because Pizza Hut had a Christmas pizza. Honestly, I looked at so many different fast food places and I was not feeling anything. Like Burger King had some burger with onion rings. I do not like onion rings. Does this box feel smaller to you? You know this is a large. It's a large.
Is it?
It's a large.
I thought it was a medium. Damn, that's a large? Are you sure?
Yeah, I ordered large.
That does not look like a large.
Do they have a label on it? I ordered a large.
Are you sure?
I actually have not ordered pizza in a while. Have pizza sizes gone down?
Maybe.
Have they gone down this small? This small?
Now, what did they put on top? Looks like...
Oh, anyways. Good question. This is their Christmas pizza. So instead of their normal tomato base, or sometimes you might get a barbecue base, they have a red wine gravy. Red wine gravy. Do you like red wine? I don't like red wine. I'm not a wine girl. Like
red wine gravy. Oh, is it? Are they trying to do like, what's the sweet wine thing?
Oh, mulled wine.
Yeah,
that's mulled wine. This is red wine. So on this pizza has a succulent rotisserie chicken. I did not add the word succulent, by the way. Succulent rotisserie chicken, crispy bacon, sage and onion stuffing, and a red wine gravy base. So you're telling me this slice came from a large pizza?
Maybe that's the normal large. Who knows? Pizza, have you had it before? I haven't.
Actually tastes quite nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it any heat in there?
No. What, you're gonna add sauce?
Some jalapenos.
Stuffing on pizza is actually quite nice.
Stuffing?
Why are you looking at me like I'm crazy?
It's nice.
I cannot take the heat.
I like.
I quite like this gravy base.
Gravy. There's a gravy base. Oh, the red wine stuff. Oh, I didn't even register.
I like this. I don't know if it's gonna be enough for you, but I like this. You used to get 2 large pizzas. Was that extra large? 2 large pizzas to yourself. How? You're a very large man. We used to live near a Pizza Hut, so my mum used to order it from there when we had like family over or something.
You sure you tried this jalapenos?
I'm good.
Then I've got a whole jar, so I need to finish it.
Look at this guy who buys this. Who buys this for themselves? A Costco-sized jalapeno jar. A kilogram of jalapenos. Usually we get like 2 large pizzas and by the end of it I'm like, I'm done. First of all, because I can't handle a lot of cheese. And second of all, because it's a lot. What are you doing? Exceeded my expectations for sure, because for me, when they have all these Christmas themed things. I'm like, Christmas themed pizza. But I think it's because they got the gravy. It's the gravy that did it. The gravy that... But for me, I feel like I just have kind of like a bias towards gravy. If I had to rate it, I would be like KFC number 1. 100%. I feel like just because it had that fried chicken thing, the pouring of the gravy, like it was oozing with gravy. So KFC number 1, Pizza Hut number 2, McDonald's number 3. That's how I would rate it. And so do not hate on me because I put McDonald's last. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed eating with me today. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Bye.